Hi there, we're setting up your practice locations, a key step in getting your Kalix account ready. Locations can be physical, virtual, or home workplace visits. Kalix uses them for scheduling, automated appointment messages, and insurance billing. To get started, hover on Settings, which is your practice name. It's located on the top menu bar. Next, choose Account Settings. On this page, scroll down to the Location section. Now, to create a new location, select Add Location, and a pop-up window will appear. First off, give your location a name. Make sure it's unique. This name will appear in appointment messages and your scheduler. The next two fields are optional and for U.S. insurance billing only. Use the location NPI field only if your location has a different NPI number from your main billing provider NPI. You can also enter an other ID if the payer has assigned one to this location. This is typically used in box 32B of the CMS 1500 claim form. Also, if you're using an other ID, don't forget to choose the correct qualifier to show what type of ID it is. Next, this is a required step for everyone. Select the location type. Kalix supports 3 types of locations. Physical address, used for in-person visits. Virtual location, for telehealth or phone appointments. Home workplace visit, where services are provided at the client's home or office. The type you choose affects how the location appears in appointment bookings and messages. Depending on the type, you'll be prompted to enter a physical address for office locations, a description for virtual locations, such as join using secure link and code. Or for home visits, Kalix will automatically use the client's saved residential address. Another field to take note of is location-based telehealth control. Here, Kalix gives you full control over how telehealth is managed at each location. We will come back to this functionality later when we are setting up your appointment types. Okay, nearly the last step. Choose the billing location. This determines which address Kalix will use as the service facility in insurance claims. You have 2 options. Location address. Kalix will use the address you just entered above. Client address. Kalix will use the client's saved billing address. If you're setting up a virtual location for insurance billing, always select location address and be sure to provide a valid physical address. Even for telehealth visits, insurers require a real address on file to reimburse you correctly. Thanks for watching. Setting up locations correctly helps your practice run smoothly, from scheduling to billing. If you need help, just click the purple button at the bottom right of your Kalix screen.